Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we got something very special to share in the channel. So I just bought this new headphones. It's the Beats Studio Wireless Special Edition, DJ Khaled Custom Edition, but not a big fan of DJ Khaled, but this is actually crafted by a designer very well known in the streets of LA. His name is Retna, so he did the design for this. It's amazing looking headphones, so let's go ahead and quickly unbox this and see what's there inside and how the headphone looks. So let's remove the wrapper really quick. Wow, this looks really cool, and the whole custom edition feeling looks pretty cool. I'm actually going to keep the box because it looks really nice. And okay, and pretty much sure we can slide this out. Nice premium feeling on the box. Usually all the Beats they'll actually have this premium feeling, especially these are studio headphones. And I was coming up with my new album, so I was like, might as well get some studio headphones. The box is pretty snug, so let's try to open this up with one hand. Once you open up the box, you get this custom kind of pamphlet which is out here to get you that whole experience of the Beats ones. So inside the box you'll find this premium case that you can store your headphones on, and that's pretty much it inside the box, nothing else. A padded feeling out here, and inside, when you take that apart, you are going to see some manuals out here. So we'll take the manuals apart. Very good thing, I wanted this carbinger, so carbinger is included, and a fast charge cable, and then you get a 3.5 mm aux cable. We're going to keep this box apart and see how the headphone looks. So really good experience on this, and we are going to open the small box out here and see how this headphones look. The feeling on this case actually is really nice. I like the whole feeling on this case, and when you open this up, that's how the headphones look. The good thing is that the corners has got a premium finish. So as you can see right now, the corners give you a premium finish, and the sides, if I will take this off, and you're going to see that the sides also have a premium finish. So this is the whole side and everything. That's how beautiful this artist Retna had made this Beats headphones. Really awesome job, and I think this is one of the best headphones that I've ever seen in the market. That looks so beautiful. And on this side, when you take these parts on, you can actually see that it shows you tap and pause, tap and start, and stuff like that. So there you go, guys. Amazing headphones, looks really nice, and Beats just made this and they had launched it in the market. I was lucky enough to pick it up on a local Best Buy, and you can see these chrome finishes gives that whole look of the studios. This whole chrome finish of the Studio 3 makes it look way more cooler and much more beautiful. So there you go, guys. That's what you're getting. You're getting this awesome little box out here, the amazing looking headphones. You're also getting a carabiner. You're getting a 3.5 mm kind of a extension jack. If suppose you want your headphones to your studio equipment, you can do that. I'll be connecting this to my Mac and take it to Logic, and we can make some music out there also. And this is your charging cable, not that you need, but this is a charging cable. So this small button out here is play and pause button, and the whole headphone gives you that premium look and the premium finish. So amazing job Beats on this new Studio 3 wireless headphones. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do subscribe to the channel for more awesome products getting unripped, unboxed, and tested in the channel. Now you might be asking that where is the test on this? Well, I can only explain in words how beautiful the sound or how good the sound quality is, but I will let you know in the channel within like a week or so after I test this out whether this product is worth it or not.